So we'll solve a question on Q and gaps 2012 IAS prelims. The question says there are 5 subjects. These are the subjects: economics, history, statistics, English and maths. And these lectures are to be arranged in a week from Monday to Friday, so that only one lecture is held on one day. Then certain conditions are given that which lecture can be held which day, which is to be followed, and which should be before. So based on this we have to answer few questions. So first of all we'll find out the sequence of these lectures. So let's say these are the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So question says that first one is economics cannot be scheduled on Tuesday. So we'll keep this aside. Guest faculty for history is available only on Tuesday. So economics cannot be held on Tuesday, but guest faculty for history is only on Tuesday. So history is on Tuesday. So we write H here. Now mathematics lecture has to be scheduled immediately after the day of economics lecture. So we'll just put these things here: economics and then mathematics. Then English lecture has to be scheduled immediately before day of economics. So that means this is English before economics. So now we have to fit in this sequence here. So let's say we put economics here, but immediately after economics we have maths. So this is not possible. And if we put economics here, so before that is English. So again this is not possible. I'll erase this. So that means if we put economics here, mathematics will be immediately after and English will be immediately before. And what is left is statistics, so that will come on Monday. So this is going to be our sequence of lectures. So we'll now see the questions and the answers. So in fact, if you see the questions and if you see the sequence which we have worked out, so all the answers are actually self-explanatory. So for example, which lecture is on Monday? So Monday is the only possibility for statistics was Monday, because all other days were occupied by 4 subjects. Which lecture is scheduled between statistics and English? So this is English, this is statistics, so it is history. So in this manner, if you read, you'll find answer to all the questions from this table.